Hello, in this video we will be calculating arc length when the central angle measure is given in degrees. In this problem we need to calculate the length of the arc on a circle of radius of 8 feet intercepted by a central angle of 225 degrees. The formula to calculate arc length is arc length S is equal to radius times the central angle theta. We need to remember that this formula is derived from the definition of radian measure of theta is equal to radius times arc length radians. And when we are using this formula, we are not dividing by radians and writing out the radian measure of theta because we know that radians will eventually cancel out. However, we need to be careful when we are given degrees in the original problem because we would have to take 225 degrees and convert them into radian measure. In order to do so, we're going to multiply by ratio of pi radians to 180 degrees. And since we need to cancel out degrees, 180 degrees will go into denominator and pi radians will go into numerator. 225 is out of 1. Degree measure in numerator will cancel out with degree measure in denominator. Now we have 225 times pi radians out of 180 in denominator. We just need to reduce this fraction at this point. 225 ends with the 5, 180 ends with the 0. I know both of these can be divided by 5. 225 divided by 5, we get a 45 pi radians out of 180 divided by 5 is 36. Both 45 and 36 can be divided by 9, so let's reduce this fraction by 9. And we get 45 divided by 9 is a 5 pi radians out of 36 divided by 9 is a 4. So now we know that our central angle theta is equal to 5 pi out of 4 radians. Now we can calculate arc length S by using the formula, and we have it equal to radius is equal to 8 feet, so we have 8 feet times central angle theta, which is 5 pi out of 4. And now we just need to simplify this expression. We get arc length S is equal to 8 times 5 pi out of 4 feet. Now we need to multiply these fractions. 8 is out of 1, so let's multiply numerators and denominators. So we get arc length S is equal to 8 times 5, 40 pi out of 1 times 4, 4, and the unit measure is feet. Arc length S is equal to 40 divided by 4 is 10 pi feet. This is our solution, or if you need the answer in decimals, arc length S is equal to 10 times 3.14, 31.4 feet. And this is our solution as well. That's all.